Hey everyone, welcome to day 6 of our 30-day Python series. So today we will be exploring assignment operators and bitwise operators. So this is the operators in Python part 2, all right? So let's get into the Jupyter notebook. We have our Jupyter notebook, all right? So we are learning about the assignment operators. All right. So what is in the assignment operators? So assignment are operators. This are used to assign values to variables. Okay, perfect. So now let's perform some operations. X is my variable and I'm assigning a value for this variable that is 10. So this is your simple assignment. All right. We have, see, X plus equals 5. Okay. Hashtag, this is equivalent to x equals x plus 5. Instead of writing this, what we can do here is we can write it down x plus equals 5. Okay, so this is how we assign it for the addition. Okay, now see here. Here I have a value of x is 10, right? The value of x is 10. X equals, so value of x is 10, 10 plus 5. Okay, so 10 plus 5 is 15, right? Yeah. So this is the operations we get it when we perform this x plus equals 5. Okay. So this is the addition. So now let me just print it here. Now if I print x, okay, you get the value as 15. So this assignment operator we use it for an addition. So now let's look at for the other one, that is your subtraction. Minus equals, here we have 3. Okay, so this is equivalent to x equals x minus 3. All right. So now our new value, okay, that is the x value is 15, right? So 15 minus 3 is 12. Okay. So now let me just print here x. Okay. Yes. So see, we got the answer as 12 here. All right. So now in the same way, we can do it for the multiplication as well. X asterisk equals 2. Okay. So this is equivalent to x equals x into 2. Okay. So instead of writing this, so we can write it in this way. Okay. So this will be easy and looks very clean also. All right. Now let's look at the output. So see here we got a 24. Okay. So now here the output, the x value was 12, right? Okay. So here 12, 2s are 2 are 4 and 2 1s are 2. Okay. So we got the value as 24 here. All right. Great. So now the same thing we do it for the division here. Okay. So x asterisk equals 4. Okay, so this is equivalent to x equals x divided by 2. All right. Yeah. So now the x value is 24 here, right? The x value is 24. So 24 divided by 4. 4 6 are 24. All right. Just check the answer here as well. Okay, let's print. So here we got it 6.0. Okay, so there is no reminder. So 4 6 are 24 here. We got it. So now modulus. Okay, let's understand the modulus here. So x percentage symbol for the modulus. X modulus 3 hashtag equivalent to x equals x percentage 3. Okay, so yes, so here answer is 0. Here, what was the answer here? It was 6, right? 6, 3, 2s are 6. Okay, so the answer is 0 here. All right, so this is how we find out the modulus here. Exponential. Okay, so for the exponential also, we write it x exponential form. Okay, so this is your exponential form. Exponential form equals to. This is equivalent to x equals x 2 time asterisk. Okay, 2. All right. So now let's print the x here. Now let's understand the floor division. Okay, x for floor division we use a 2 slash. Okay, x slash equals 3 equivalent to equal 3 hashtag equivalent to x is equal to x slash 3. Okay, now let's print 0.00, and we did the exponential and the floor division here. Okay, so this is how we do it for the assignment operator. So these are your operators. So this operators help in shorthand calculation and it makes the code cleaner. Okay, so now let us understand the bitwise operators. Just right. So now in the bitwise operators, we have your AND operator, OR operator, XOR operator, NOT operator, and we have a left shift and the right shift as well. Okay. So now let us understand one by one. Here I'm assigning a values E equals 5, B equals 3. Okay. I want to print the AND operator. So A, so we'll be using an AND A and B. So what do you think if you will get an output here? 8, 4, 2, 1. So in an operator, wherever you see the same number that is the identical, only there you have to write the 1 here. So now our value of A is 5, right? So here 4 plus 1 is 5. Okay, so here it will be 0. This is 1 because we are using a 4 here, and this is 2 here in place of 2, 0, and we are using 1 as well. So here 1. Now the value of B is 3, right? So now here 2 plus 1 is 3. Okay, so 8 will be 0, 4 will be 0, 2 will be 1, and 1 also be 1 because 2 plus 1 is 3. Okay, so this is what we got it here. So now in the AND operator, as I told you, wherever you see the 1, there you have to write the 1. So that is the rule. Okay, so here it is 0, 0, 0, and 1. So this all the ones in the place of 1 here. Okay, so here we got the answer as 1. All right, so this is how we calculate the AND operator here. Okay, so now let us look at the bitwise, that is your OR operator. Hashtag OR operator. Here A equals, I'll be giving it as 5, and B equals 4. Okay, so now see here. Let us understand using a bitwise. Okay, so here we have a 4 bits: 8, 4, 2, 1. So the value of A is 5 here, right? So 4 plus 1 is 5. So 0, 1, 0, 1. Okay, now the value of B is 4. So 4, we have a bit called 4 here. Okay, so 0, 1, 0, 0. So the rule for this OR operator is wherever you see the 1, you have to write on the 1. So here it is 0, 0, 0. So 0. Here we have a 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. And here we have one single 1. Okay, wherever you see 1, so you will be writing at 1. All right. So now here the C. So this we are going to add this. 4 plus 1 is 5. So let us look at the answer whether this is right or wrong here. Okay, let us run. Okay, print A or B. Enter. Okay, so here we got the answer as 5. Perfect. So now let us understand the XOR operator here. Hashtag XOR operator. Okay. So now here the value of A equals 6 and the value of B equals 10. I'm giving here. Okay. So now for this XOR operator, let's understand it bitwise. Okay. So what are the bits we have it? 8, 4, 2, 1. Okay. So in bitwise XOR operator, we have same values, we write 0. If we have a same values, we write 0. If we have a different values, we write 1. Okay. Yes. So now here see the value of V is 6. So 2 plus 4 plus 2 is 6 here, right? So now here it is 0, 1, 1, 0. Okay. So the value of B is 10. So 8 plus 2 is 10. All right. So now here it should be 1. Here it is 1. Okay. And here it is 0, 1, 0. Okay. Now what is the rule for this XOR operator? As I told you, we have same values. If we have a same value, okay. So if we have a same value, so both the values here are same. So here we write it down 0. Okay. If we have a different value, we write it down 1. Okay. Here 1, 1, 0. Okay. So because we have a same value here, right? Here the answer is here see when we added 8 plus 4. Okay. 8 plus 4 is how much? 12, right? Answer as 12. Okay. So let us run with our Jupyter notebook. Okay. Print A, A or A XOR B. So here see we got the output as 12 here. Now let us understand the hashtag not operator. Okay. Not operator. Enter. So now here the value of here it will be a single value. Okay. So for the not operator. So here we can give it as A equals 3. Operator will be using a formula here. Okay. Like we'll be using a 2s formula. Uh, Here I'll make you understand. So here minus A, so A value is 3, right? So that's the reason I'm giving A plus 1. Okay. So here minus A value is 3, 3 plus 1. Formula we use it here. Okay. So here minus 4. 3 plus 1 is 4. Okay. So we get this output. Let us print here. Okay. So now print and here you just below that except button escape button you have that symbol. Okay, so press the shift and click on that symbol. So this is your not operator 3. So let us see what answer we get it. Here we got a minus 4. Okay, so again by using this 2s formula also we got a minus 4 here. So this is your XOR operators. That is your AND operator, OR operator, XOR operator, and NOT operator. Okay. So we use the symbol for a NOT operator. If you have any doubts, please comment down below. So that's all for today. Practice these operators and try different values to understand how they work. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. So see you in the next video. Keep coding. Bye bye.